Hey guys, I wanted to share with you how I do my labels for the beginning of the school year. Now, this is a program that I use. Most everybody knows it. It's called Avery. Now, first of all, I want to share with you this favorites bar. So this favorites bar right here, these are all of the websites that I use. These here typically on a daily basis. My school email, the school portal, Schoology, YouTube, all of that. And then it ran out of space. And then this little double arrow here to the right, when I click it, it brings down the drop menu. And these are other websites that I use. Maybe I use them once a year. Maybe I use them frequently. Like if I order something from Amazon or the Skills USA store, things of the sort. Or when we're testing, star testing, and I need the stopwatch to come up. If I need to put in for a sub or a QR generator, things of the sort. These are all websites that I visit. So instead of me trying to remember what the websites are, anytime I type in a website, I click on the little star and then I title it something, whatever I want to title it or the name of the website. I click on done and then it pops up. It saves it here on my favorites bar. So this is a really essential tool that I use all of the time. So for example, when I do Avery, let me come up here, Avery labels. So I just come up here, I click on it, and it's going to take me straight to my account. Okay, so I'm going to sign in, and then I'm going to go ahead and most everybody knows the brand of labels, and then I'm going to go ahead and create my project. Okay, so you can save your projects in your account. It's free to create an account, and I'm going to go ahead and start a new project. So I'm going to click on Start a New Project, and then you get to pick of all of the different templates that they have. Now this number comes in the box of the product that you purchase. Obviously it has the measurements and it has details and what kind of color and type of paper and all of that. But the most common one is the 5160, which is the 10 labels per column. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, select this template. Super easy. You can have you have an option to select a variety of different templates that they already have. So if you want to give them little gifts during, let's say, Valentine's, and you just want that logo, you can import your information, and it has it'll spit that particular design out for you. It's got a lot of designs that's really neat, or you can create your own. So we're going to do a blank one. So I'm going to select this design. Then up here, it tells you where you are at in the process. Okay, and then it always has little pop-ups that will explain various things, which is very helpful. Okay, so this is the label, and it has a little grid to show you where everything's at. Well, I already have, I'm going to click off of that just because I like a clear screen. I already have the information when the counselor sent me the list of students that are enrolled for my class for next year. I already have that information in a spreadsheet, and it's already in an Excel spreadsheet, and it's already saved onto my computer. So instead of coming in and typing in one at a time, which you can do, you can come in and you can add text, you can add an image, etc. But that for 50 students every year, it does get time consuming. So I'm going to click over here where it says import data and mail merge. So I'm going to click on start import. I'm going to browse my file. It is in my documents, my 2021 school year. It is in my rosters, and it is contact information. I'm going to pause this just a second to select my information, just so that I make sure not to get student information in the video. Okay, I didn't want to show that information just, for student confidentiality, because information did pop up. But that particular window that I clicked on, once I clicked my file, it opened up a window, and it asked me here, number 2, it asked me choose fields. You're going to have a little check mark on the fields that you want to come up on the label. If you don't want that information to come up on the label, then you click on the little box with the blue check mark and it doesn't pop up, it doesn't generate on the label. So for example, on my Excel, there was a spot where it has the students intermediate school since they're coming from 8th grade. Well, I don't need that for high school and I don't need to know that later. So I clicked on that box and it made it go away. So it only gave me the student number, name, phone, and email. So here on this this third step here, oh, and then you click next, of course. On this particular step here, you're going to arrange your fields. So first I want my student name, and then I want their ID number, and then I want their email, and lastly I want their phone number. Okay, so you can do different things to design it. I'm going to click on next. Has different information here. I'm going to go ahead and click on finish. All right, so again here on the side I'm editing all of them, not just one. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. The student name, the number, their ID number, email, and phone. Well, I want to add an image. I'm going to add image. My gallery or my account, of course they have different pictures and such, and you can pull pictures from different areas. I have the school logo, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to put it in the corner. It will tell you where you should not put your designs. So that is awesome that it has that guide. So I'm just going to make this a little bit small. Put them here. And then I'm going to click on print and preview. Here, if I were to zoom out, which I won't, but I know it's not very clear, but it has all of my labels. The first one is an example of what I asked for, and then all the rest of them is going to be all the student information. I can print it myself, or if you're the type that you like it done professionally or you don't have a printer at home and you want them mailed to you, then you can have them print it and you just pay for their printing and have that information there. I like to print it myself. I want to print all of it, or you can choose particular pages, or if you want the first 5 labels, then you can choose that as well. You can select the labels that you want to choose. You can also get a PDF to save, which I always do. And I'm going to save it. I'm going to title it Okay, I'm going to save it to my account. Okay, it is saved online, so next time when I open it up or if I need to reprint for whatever thing, I can just go ahead and click on the project, print it, and be done. Okay, all right. Definitely want to make sure all of your settings, PDF and the student information came out. It opens a PDF, it shows you the labels, it shows you what it reads on the labels, all the student information. You save that anywhere in your computer, in whatever folder or your Google Drive or wherever you decide to save your work. Okay, so here then, of course, if you need to make changes, if you need something done with your printing, they offer you obviously a variety of different products that they do, and then there you have new options here at the bottom. So I'm going to return home, and it takes me back to the home page. Okay. All right, and so that's it. So next time, if I wanted to, let's say, log back in and I needed to reprint something, then I can go ahead. Here's my 2021 student labels. Okay, this is from last year. These are Skills USA competition things, just random labels that I have created in the past. So I can just click on this particular one and reprint if I need to. I can go back and edit it as necessary or needed as well. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.